Venezuelan doctors in order to substitute the actual Cuban doctors that are working in those specific places.
No sé en qué tiempo va a ocurrir esto, pero la orientación es que progresivamente haya más médicos venezolanos atendiendo a la gente pobre que todavía existe en Venezuela.
I don't know when it's going to happen, but the main goal is that we should have more people attending the people who needs that attention, and it happens as soon as possible.
Ahora, la propaganda negra dice
But the bad propaganda says
que esos no son médicos, que esos son milicianos que mandó Cuba a Venezuela.
the bad propaganda says that those are not doctors, that those aren't people that was sent by Cuba to Venezuela.
Pero eso no es verdad.
But that is not a truth.
O sea, han pasado ya varios años que esos médicos están en Venezuela.
There have been many years since those doctors arrived to Venezuela,
Siendo observados de muy de cerca por los servicios de inteligencia.
being very closely observed by intelligence agencies in Venezuela,
Y no se ha podido demostrar que sean milicianos.
and there is no fact or there is no evidence that could affirm that idea.
Como eso no se pudo comprobar, entonces la propaganda negra comenzó a explotar otra idea.
As that wasn't being able to support that idea, so that kind of propaganda began looking at different, logo.
Esos no son médicos, solo que son unos enfermeros que mandaron.
Those are not doctors. They're just, low-level doctors. They are not fully doctors. They just have made half of studies.
Eso es lo que están es matando a la gente en los barrios.
They are killing people in neighborhoods.
Pero no ha habido una sola familia de algún barrio venezolano que haya salido a decir eso.
But there is not even one family that in the very neighborhoods of Venezuela has taken the word to say that kind of thing.
Esa es la situación.
So that is the real fact.
Okay, so your relations with Cuba, we have understood. What about your relations with Colombia? There seems to be some tension between the two countries. But you are both major suppliers to the United States. You supply oil, Colombia supplies cocaine. So why can't you get along?
Las relaciones con Cuba, por supuesto, son muy buenas.
Relations with Cuba are obviously very good relations,
Pero esto no es ningún pecado.
but that is not a sin, actually.
El problema es que Estados Unidos tiene varias décadas de bloqueo a Cuba.
The problem is that the United States has many decades blocking Cuba.
Entonces, se dicen muchas cosas de Cuba.
So there are many things said about Cuba.
Por supuesto, algunas son ciertas.
But of course, some of them might be truth.
Ningún país es perfecto.
No country is
Ninguna
perfect.
sociedad es perfecta.
No society is perfect.
Venezuela tampoco lo es.
Venezuela is not perfect also.
Pero tampoco lo es Estados Unidos.
But neither the United States.
Con la diferencia de que ni Venezuela ni Cuba invaden a otro país.
But considering a little different, which is that nor Venezuela, neither Cuba invade other country.
Nunca hemos hecho eso.
We haven't done that.
En toda su historia, Venezuela jamás ha cruzado sus fronteras para atacar otro país.
During all his history, Venezuela has never crossed the borders of the nation in order to attack another nation.
La única vez que Venezuela cruzó su frontera, la primera vez que lo hizo, fue cuando la guerra de independencia.
The only time when we crossed our borders was on the independence fight.
En 1819,
In 1819,
casi toda Venezuela estaba ocupada por el ejército español en plena
Venezuela
guerra de independencia.
was occupied by the Spanish army on the independence war.
Entonces, Bolívar tomó una decisión que está entre las grandes hazañas de la historia militar.
So then Bolívar took a decision, which is one of the greatest remembrance on the military history,
Que fue con un ejército de llaneros, o sea, de gente de tierras calientes,
which was with an army made by llaneros, which is people from the very warm lands.
cruzar los Andes,
He crossed the Andes Mountains,
donde hay nieve,
where is the snow.
porque por ahí los españoles no suponían que el ejército venezolano podía pasar.
Because there was the place where the Spanish army never thought the Venezuelan could pass through.
De hecho, murieron muchos soldados.
Actually, many soldiers were dead on that
Pero
travel.
los soldados que lograron atravesar la frontera con Colombia
But the soldiers that were able to cross that
se unieron
frontier
con colombianos neogranadinos en esa época
joint efforts with Colombian in that time were called neogranadinos.
y se dio la batalla de Boyacá,
And Boyacá battle was done.
que significó la independencia de la Nueva Granada, de
That-
Colombia hoy día.
That meant the independence of Nueva Granada, which is Colombia.
Bueno, esa fue una circunstancia en la que el ejército de Venezuela cruzó una frontera.
That was a circumstance when the Venezuelan army crossed a
Para
frontier,
pelear
a
al
border,
lado de nuestros hermanos de América Latina,
in order to fight arm by arm, shoulder to shoulder with our brothers from Latin America
por la libertad.
for liberty.
Y el ejército venezolano no se quedó ahí,
And the Venezuelan
no se
army
quedó ocupando Colombia.
never stayed there occupying Colombia.
Ok. Volviendo a lo de Cuba, ¿no?
Getting back to Cuba,
Porque esto no fue un discurso distraccionista.
because we are distracting the attention.
Obviamente,
Obviously,
cada país es libre de establecer las relaciones diplomáticas, comerciales, económicas, políticas,
each country is free of establishing its political, economic, diplomatic relations
que desee establecer.
that it wished to desire or decide to establish.
Entonces, lo que pasa es que en Estados Unidos hay una propaganda muy negativa hacia Cuba.
But the fact is, in America, in the United States, there is a very strong propaganda against Cuba.
Pero por un momento supongamos,
But just for a very little moment, just suppose,
supuesto negado,
it's a deny, suppose, supposition,
que fuese cierto
that it could be truth,
todo lo que esa propaganda dice sobre Cuba.
all what has been said about Cuba.
Bueno, Estados Unidos ha establecido relaciones diplomáticas,
Well, the United States have established relations with
comerciales,
Commercial.
económicas, militares, con gobiernos que no de propaganda, sino realmente son peores que el gobierno de Cuba.
So, well, United States has actually, in fact, have established relations politically, economical, commercial relations with countries that, in a very true fact, are worse than
Y
Cuba.
esa ha sido una decisión soberana del gobierno
And
de
that
Estados
has
Unidos.
been a very sovereign decision of America.
Y nosotros no tenemos nada que decir,
And we have nothing to say about that.
mientras no nos afecte, ¿no?
But if it doesn't affect us, of course.
Entonces, Venezuela soberanamente establece relaciones
So Venezuela, as its own right, established relations
con aquellos países, gobiernos que considere conveniente.
with those countries and governments that we believe and we think that it's convenient.
Y esa es la realidad del mundo.
And that's world's reality.
Entonces, la pregunta es, ¿por qué se extraña que Venezuela tenga relaciones con Cuba?
So then the question is, why, is that strange feeling that Venezuela is having relations with Cuba?
Porque Estados Unidos tiene a Cuba en una lista negra.
That's why, because Cuba is in a blacklist.
Pero si nosotros hiciéramos una lista negra de los países con los que tiene relaciones Estados Unidos,
But if we make a blacklist of the countries with the ones United States has relations,
les aseguro que sería muy larga.
I will assure you it will be longer.
Entonces, el problema es así, ¿no?
So then the problem is as it is.
Tenemos relaciones con Cuba
We have relations with Cuba
por razones de políticas,
because political reasons,
por razones de hermandad latinoamericana.
because Latin America